Chapter number 8, World Wars and India. First point, First World War 1914 to 1918, Second World War 1939 to 1945, Third World Wars and India. In that, First World War and India, Second World War and India, and last, impact of the world wars on India. As we know that the first half of the 19th century witnessed two world wars. These were the most important event of the century, witnessed two world wars. It changed the world scenario. Today we are going to learn about its impact on India. Let's start our first point, First World War. The First World War was begun in 1914. The main cause of it was the competition among the European countries who nourished imperialistic ambition. We already knew about the imperialism, so I think there is no need to repeat it again. Let's move toward the causes of the First World War. As we know that the later half of the 19th century was marked by several industrial inventions. Machines came in use for various production processes. European countries were now equipped to increase production because of mechanism. They need more raw material to match the quantitative increase in production and more markets to sell their surplus products as well. One of the main cause of the World War. Second, we can say that imperialism. Imperialistic European nations began to search for newer lands to meet these needs. This would often create warlike situation among them. Keeping this in view, more powerful nations in Europe felt the need to continuously increase their military power and armory. The countries like England, France, Russia, Portugal, Holland, Belgium, etc., had already expanded their empires in Africa and Asia. In the pre-World Wars, Europe, England, Germany, Austria-Hungary, Russia, France, and Italy were the nations of primary importance. Among them, rival groups were formed. Because of the rivalry, every nation begins to enhance its military and naval strength. There was a competition to produce more and more destructive weapons. This ultimately resulted in political situation akin to war. Immediate cause of the First World War. It was the spark of the First World War was started when Australian Prince Archduke Franz Ferdinand and his wife were assassinated in Serbia by a Serbian maniac. In Australia, people believed that This whole act was received or dissembled by the Serbian kingdom. Hence, Austria called a war against Serbia. Russia came in help to Serbia. Two distinct groups of European nations were formed. One group supporting Austria and other supporting Serbia. You can understand with the help of this picture. Austria and Hungary was trying to suppress Serbia and Germany on their side. Belgium had a neutral policy. Even then, Germany attacked Belgium and established their supremacy. England stood up with Belgium and called a war against Germany. Now Germany, Austria, Turkey, Bulgaria, known as Central Powers, were on one side, and England, France, Russia, known as Allied Nation, were on the other. Later, Italy joined the Allied powers. In the last stage of the war, America joined in with the Allied nations. A naval war was fought in 1916 between Germany and England at Jutland in the North Sea, and German navy was defeated. It resulted in a peace treaty in 1918 known as Treaty of Versailles that include Germany to pay or to accept blame for starting the war. League of Nations, an international peace organization, was formed. Reparation Germany was to pay for the damage caused by the war. Limits were set on the size of the German army. Germany lost the Anschluss and overseas territories. Study in detail about the foundation of the League of Nations and its objective. All the nations who were involved in the First World War seriously felt the need to create some solution to avoid any situation that would lead to another world war. Woodrow Wilson, the American president, was a peace-loving and idealistic leader. He emphasized on the need of having an organization of the leading nation, finding peaceful solution for conflicts between the nations, and establishing peace in the world. An organization known as League of Nations was established with this objective. Germany, Austria, and other defeated nations were not allowed to become members of the League. The concept of the League of Nations was deliberated by America, and yet it did not become a member of the League. As a result, England and France retained their dominions in the League. Second point, Second World War that started in 1939 and ended in 1945 Common Era. The Second World War proved to be the more destructive than the First World War. It was certainly more extensive than the First World War, and its warfare was technological more advanced. Now, when we're talking about the causes of the Second World War, we can say the failure of the League of Nations or the Treaty of Versailles. The League of Nations intended to avoid conflict between nations. The Nazi, under the leadership of Hitler, grabbed the power in Germany. Hitler began to escalate Germany's military power so as to avenge the demeaning condition imposed on Germany by the Versailles Treaty. He focused on increasing the strength of military as well as navy. Meanwhile, Soviet Russia, a communist nation, was becoming more powerful. It made the nations like England, America, France uneasy. Soviet Russia and imperialistic Germany viewed each other as arch enemies. Keeping in this view, England and France ignored Germany's advances, thinking that it will keep Soviet Russia's increasing power under control. In 1938, Hitler won the Sudeten province in Czechoslovakia, which was populated in majority by the people of German origin. In 1939, he attacked Poland. Actually, Poland was looked upon as a neutral country by all European nations. In spite of this, Hitler attacked and conquered Poland. Therefore, England declared war against Germany. Before we move further, there is need to understand their ideology, that is Nazism and fascism. Fascism is a political ideology which does not believe in democracy, liberalism, individual freedom, and equality. Fascism derived from the Latin word fascis. After the First World War over, Benito Mussolini, an Italian leader and later the Prime Minister of Italy, built a movement which he named as fascism, opposition to democratic institution. Nazism is in a way slightly diverse from the fascism. Nazism gave more importance to racism. The genocide of European Jews in Germany by Hitler had its root in racism. It may be said that Nazism was an extremely aggressive and corrupt manifestation of fascism. When we're talking about the main cause of the Second World War was the Battle of Danzig. Gradually, Germany began to grab the lands of other European countries in bits and pieces. It had already won Poland at the very beginning of the war. Denmark surrendered to Germany. So did Norway. In short time, Germany conquered Holland and Belgium, and its army marched toward Paris. Germany conquered France too. In May 1940, it attacked England by assaulting the British platoon present at Dunkirk. England, with great caution, moved out 2.5 lakhs of its soldiers from Dunkirk. In the world history, this instance of beating a successful retreat of great significance. Main cause, we can say that the violation of non-aggression pact. During this period, Winston Churchill had taken over control of England as the Prime Minister after Neville Chamberlain's resignation from the post. In 1939, Hitler violated the Non-Aggression Pact made with Stalin and attacked Soviet Russia. While the Nazi army was marching towards Stalingrad, Russian army was on the retreat. In the month of November 1943, on reaching Stalingrad, 3 lakh soldiers of the unsuspecting Nazi army was caught in the trap set by Soviet army. Soviet Russia defeated the German under the leadership of Marshal Ceausescu. Armies of the Allied nations took over Berlin. Hitler went in underground exile and committed suicide. Before this happened, Mussolini was also defeated and died. The Nazi soldier in North Africa had also surrendered. Japan entered in this war in support of Germany. In 1941, Japan attacked Pearl Harbor and destroyed the American naval base. This resulted in America declaring war against Japan. Thus, the warfield of Second World War expanded further. Later, Japan went on capturing the regions of Philippines, Myanmar, Malaya, and Singapore. In addition, Japan was even marched up to Assam, Arakan, and Imphal. This drew the British to act against Japan's aggressions. When Japan seems to have been going ahead undaunted with their aggressive policies, America launched aerial attacks to Japanese cities with atom bombs, first on Hiroshima and then Nagasaki. At last, Japan surrendered on 15 August 1945. This put an end to the Second World War.